Good morning, folks. Join us on a trip to Inverness. We will actually be taking the Flixbus, and this is actually the very first time that we're taking Flixbus in Scotland, and it is the longest route that they have in Scotland. So it's from Glasgow to Inverness, and it's just under 4 hours. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Do you know? Have you seen it? 55?
Yeah.
Sounds great. Oh, that's it already. Is this a stance just for Flixbus?
I don't think they're all Flixbus.
Ah, right. Makes sense with F for Flixbus. That bus is not ours. It's going to Edinburgh. I wonder if it also stops at Edinburgh Airport. Because that might really be a
Cheaper alternative.
Yeah, that might be a cheaper alternative for us. Every time we fly from Edinburgh, we do consider if we should just take maybe a more expensive flight from Glasgow, because we pay about, it's like £40 for 2 people for a return bus ticket to Edinburgh Airport. If you have a cheaper alternative, let us know. Oh no, so that's it?
No, it's the stands next. That's 54 it's going into.
Wait, are we sitting at 54? Alright. Do you know what? I would manage to get onto the wrong bus probably at the bus station.
Inverness on it.
Aye, okay, it says Inverness on that one. Probably wouldn't get on the wrong bus
Do we
then.
go on this side? How long is it?
4 hours. Have you got your earplugs with you, your earphones?
No.
Are you actually joking?
I thought we were going to talk for the whole 4 hours.
Are you actually kidding me? Absolutely not. Don't worry, I've got 2 pairs.
No, I've got one.
Oh, right, okay.
I'll be trying to drive my cruiser on the bus.
Yeah. I don't know if you can see the colour difference. We cycled up here to Buchanan bus station. We thought it was a good idea.
Just hope our bikes are still there when we come back.
Aye, exactly.
Or at least the whole bike's still there. Not like this bit's missing.
Yeah. But we'll be back this evening. Well, and it's Saturday today, so we'll be busy in town. More people seeing our bikes. But they don't look like high value, so that's good.
I'd rather be on that one. But in reality, not, because there's probably not.
Do you know how long? Do you actually know how long the bus is to Skye? It's like 9 hours, I think. Or is it 9 hours? Much longer than ours.
It takes 5-6 hours to drive.
Oh, yeah, that's true, that's true. Yeah, but still, would you like that?
No, I don't think I can handle it.
So that is a 9:16 going to Uig.
We've always seen it when it's coming back.
Yeah, that's true. It stops us on the island pretty frequently. When we got the ferry, the bus from Portree to Sconser to get the ferry to Rassie, that was also a bus that was just going to Glasgow.
Yeah, but it was more expensive, wasn't it? Because of that, I think.
Yeah, it was. How much did we pay?
Was it not like £5 each or something? I can't remember. It was.
Yeah, for a 10-minute trip or something.
There's another Inverness bus, stagecoach.
Is there?
I just seen it going round there.
Yeah, the Flixbus that we're taking is actually a direct. It's actually a direct bus.
I don't think so.
There's
it
also.
says Perth bus station.
Pardon?
It says Perth bus station.
It doesn't. From Perth bus. Yeah, it stops at Perth bus station.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's not that direct.
No, so what I mean is that we don't have to take another bus.
Oh, right.
There were also other routes where you had to get off at Perth, and then you had to wait. Sometimes it was 10 minutes if you would chance it, or 1 hour and 10 minutes. And then I checked, what is it, Broxton Park? There's not much, there weren't many breakfast opportunities that I thought we would like. So I thought, right, we're gonna go all in.
Yeah, I don't fancy relying on a 10-minute change.
No, I already get nervous when we take a KLM flight and we only have an hour's time in Amsterdam for a connecting flight.
Yeah, but Amsterdam's usually a pretty good flight for that.
Alright, just wait for it.
That you think so, we're not waiting for it.
Oh no, imagine if it just left without us.
And we have no internet, so it's It's not like we want to be in the house today anyway.
Yeah.
Hiya.
Hiya.
Should I say 15C and 15D?
Perfect, thank you very
you.
much.
Oh, it's nice and toasty. We're with the cool kids. We're at the back.
We are literally right over here.
It is actually quite empty, the bus.
Yeah.
It's only 6 people so far, but then if we're stopping in Perth, I believe quite a few people will get on there. Also, we nearly cancelled this trip because yesterday we found out that there's actually a storm. Storm Bert just now, and there is actually there's a travel warning. I don't know if I should be saying this, but there's a travel warning. But for today between 7 a.m. and 5 p.m. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Before we leave, I'll give you a wee tour of our wee seat. So we've actually got USB plugs, which is really helpful.
Yeah, some of them have got plugs. Like
Yeah, some
actual
of them
plugs. In front of us,
in
they've
front
plugs.
of us. There, they've got
Yeah, but
plugs,
you can-
and then a wee table, but like, and then a wee thingy, just like on planes.
Yeah.
And then, have you got enough space?
Yeah.
Yeah. When we first got a Flixbus, it was actually, when I first got a Flixbus, it was years and years ago in Germany, and honestly, there was nothing like with plugs or something like that. It's completely changed. It was like getting the cheapest, particularly for students, it was like brilliant because it was like the cheapest option. But it was like, at that point, it was a bit the Ryanair of the buses. No offense to Ryanair, we love it. But it's like the budget version.
I think it is very much budget.
Well, it's still budget, but it's still like, how much more can you expect for a bus, huh?
Welcome on board this 093 Flixbus service to Inverness, calling at Perth Broxton, Park and Ride, a Perth bus station, and then Inverness. Should be getting into Inverness for about 10 minutes to 11. Hope you have a comfortable journey.
So,
Yeah, this is big gigs. I think there's more snow than what I thought it was going to be. But I'm hoping that because it's during the day, the road's going to be fine.
well, the thing is, I'm a bit worried on our trip back home because we're taking the trip back home at 4, and then we arrive at 5, and then we arrive at 9 p.m. and then I hope the roads will be okay.
Yeah.
So we've just arrived in Perth. What do you think?
Yeah, it doesn't seem too bad in Perth. There's like no snow here.
Yeah, no snow.
It's weird, it's like there's snow in some bits and then none in others.
Yeah, because you were a bit shocked, huh?
A wee bit.
Because I was panicking a little bit, I'm not going to lie, yesterday coming here, and then Ian said, no, don't worry, we'll be fine, and then we
You
saw
know
the
what it's like? It's
snow.
always blown out of proportion in news.
Yeah, that's true.
Like, I can't remember, there was a storm more recently as well. And it like ended up
affect
with
us. Yeah. Yeah. Anyway, yeah, how glad are you that we're not stopping in Perth?
But we are stopped.
No,
We're just not getting off.
that we didn't get off in Perth.
Yeah.
1 hour and 10 minutes in
Yeah, it's
Perth.
pitch black.
Aye. What time is it?
8.
Oh my goodness.
The heating was on when we first got in. It was nice and warm.
I know.
And now it's freezing.
It's freezing, isn't it?
It was supposed to be 20 degrees in here.
Ah, absolutely not. But it might be because our trousers are still quite wet.
Mine's are dry.
Oh, come on. Mine is still a bit damp.
Yeah.
Okay, you brag.
I'm surprised at how quiet it is, the bus.
The bus? I
It doesn't
know.
make any money.
That's what I was
But
wondering.
it must be like, they must get the most people coming back down. So this
maybe.
journey they have to go up anyway.
But when I booked last week, there were still quite a few seats. There were a lot of seats that we could still book. So the reason why we're taking Flixbus is primarily the price. As I'd already mentioned, it's a pretty much like budget version of travelling. But now it just doesn't feel that budgety anymore, in my opinion.
Well, I
Anyway,
mean, if you were to get, I don't know how much another bus company would be here.
yeah, that's
But I
true.
know that it would be. I mean, if you were to get a train, it would be
So,
mega expensive.
Exactly. We paid for return tickets plus booking the seats. I don't know if you need to book seats actually, or if you're automatically put together and it's basically like a trick. But anyway, I paid £1.50 per person per week for seats, and in total we paid £36, and that is basically, well, that is for a 4-hour trip there and back. Now let me check real quick how much it would be if we took the train. So I've just put it in, I've just checked for 2 people from Glasgow to Inverness, return the same day, and it's £143, plus there is a bus replacement for that trip, so you'll be sitting on a bus anyway.
Yeah. Okay.
I think this is the better
4
alternative.
times the price.
Right.
I don't know if you can see in the camera.
I don't know if you can, yeah, I don't know if you can see it, but it's snowing. Pretty heavy, though.
It's beginning to look a lot.
Christmas. You will not be singing if our bus gets cancelled on the way back. I told you, and we will not be staying in a hotel.
Why not? So we're going to sleep in the streets?
Obviously
The
not.
main streets of
But
Inverness.
we really do not want to take, we really want to get back home the same day. I thought there was just one stop in Perth, but we stopped.
This is the
the
I
bus
think this is the
station.
actual bus station. I think all of it was like a.
But do you know what we would have done? We would have got out at the stop before,
But no,
I think, if we had taken 2 buses, because it wouldn't have been so bad here. The
yeah,
flights
maybe
and
not.
things.
Yeah. But I think this is the actual Perth bus.
Traffic.
Oh my god, this is a bad idea.
So it took Ian nearly 2 hours to realise that this was probably a bad idea. So Ian's biggest issue just now is that the car in front of us is going really slow. So it's 3 hours in.
Is it?
We've only got an hour's left, but I'll be honest, after Perth I was already like, oh, this is going to be longer
But
than expected.
the roads are clear just now.
Yeah, surprisingly.
That's so bad.
It was really bad at
It's
one
just-
point.
Yeah, it's just like that Ken Gorms area.
Yeah, but I think that's exactly where they're like expecting road closures and stuff like that.
Right.
So yeah, let's see how we get back home.
Just need to get a snowplow.
Yeah, you need to get one.
Get a snowplow down there.
Yeah, what about buying one in Inverness and then when we get back to
Yeah.
Glasgow?
So if you support us on Kobe, when we go home.
If you're anything like us and you also watch Scott from Planes, Trains, Everything, then you'll be thinking, Joanna, why are you making such a fuss about a 4-hour bus trip? It's really not that bad, because Scott goes on these like 24-hour bus trips. Look, we're starting off easily, and this is already a stretch for me
Yeah, 4
personally.
hours quite bad. I don't mind 4 hours driving because you're like doing something.
Yeah, but
It's just when you're sitting.
you're focusing, and then the seats aren't 100% comfy.
They're not bad.
They're not bad, but like after 4 hours, I'm like,
And it's roasting now.
it's roasted.
It's like 36 degrees in there.
Exactly. Is it?
Yeah, it says up there, 36 degrees. You won't be able to see it, but
Oh,
it was like when we came on the bus, it was 32, and then it went down to like 19, and then the door was open like for the whole time we were in like that part.
in Perth, yeah, Roxton
And then it
Park.
went down to like 9, and now it's at 36.
Aye, it's quite wild. Ian has got his hat to dry, and I'm hoping that the inside of my hat is going to dry as well. How far away from Inverness are we?
Oh, we're close.
Wow! I didn't expect that. I really didn't. If we are, thank you, Flixbus. Thank you. If you want to sponsor this video, just comment. Only kidding.
I think we're going downhill.
As you can see, we have arrived in Inverness.
Yeah, and there's hardly any snow.
No snow.
Oh, there is some.
What's that about, eh?
Yeah, it's weird.
I mean, you
But
wouldn't
we never get any snow. Sorry, we never get any snow last week, whereas England got a lot of snow.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah. But you would expect it in the Cairngorms that it's
Yeah, I
quite
think
snowy.
so. I thought you would get it up here, but maybe it's
I
just
thought
so
so.
close to the coast.
Maybe. Public library.
All remaining passengers for Inverness, please ensure you take all your luggage and personal belongings with you when you're leaving the coach.
Cheers, thank you.
Thank you. Right, that's us in Inverness. What did you think? Do you think it's worth like saving the money for?
Yeah, it wasn't that bad.
I think it was
And
actually
it
really
wouldn't
good.
it wouldn't have been any better driving.
It wouldn't have been any better driving, and
It
on
would
the
have been
train.
a wee bit faster, but
Yeah.
like the train you would have been getting the bus anyway, so
Oh yeah, exactly, because of the replacement service. Yeah. Anyway, thank you very much for joining us on our wee trip. Let us know what you think about Flixbus. Have you used it before? And if so, when do you normally use it? And I will see you next time. Bye. So as you can see, we're on a bus back home, but it is not a Flixbus. Our bus was cancelled, so now we're on a stagecoach back to Glasgow. We're really lucky to get this bus because this one is also delayed. However, we paid 80 quid for the both of us. Well, a single trip.